Got a 2020 Ford F-150. Gonna do a cabin filter. What you wanna do, you wanna open up your glove box, remove this rubber little tray, clips it at the bottom, pull it out. There's little notches on the top. Set it out to the side. Got a 7mm screw there, a 7mm screw here. Take those two 7mm screws out, and it fastens at the bottom. A couple clips and two here and two there. You want to just pull it out best you can. Pull it out, gear it up, and then you got your glove box light. And you want to come over here and you want to push in a little tab, unplug it, get the whole thing up out of the way. Get the whole thing up out of the way. Now you can see your door for your filter. Clips around the sides. Just pull them off to the side and clip it this side, and then you pull the whole thing up. Okay, fits in there like that, and there's your filter. I got the new filter in it. Put your little sleeves up like that to help catch the dirt. Arrow down because the flow goes down. Okay. Make sure you put your little door cover back on. Put that in like that. Line those up. Put them in there. Push it in there. Okay. Got your cover in there. Pushed in clip. And then need to put this little box back in there. Make sure you plug the light in. Okay. Get your light plugged in. Push them in. Get them in the bottoms and on the sides. Get them all in there. Okay, and then you gotta put your two 7mm screws back in. Got my 7mm back in. It's all clipped in. Now for the upper rubber piece. I'm gonna push the top in. Get the top in there. Get in the little slots. Push that up around the corner. Get those in there. Get these in first. Push that in there. You gotta hear them clip in. Then go around the top. Push them in. Okay, my glove box fell down because somebody broke the ratchet thing on it. So now I just gotta push it back in there and watch out for my stops. But that's how you change the cabin filter. Pretty simple. You don't need to take the glove box out. Okay.